Despite its majestic and splendid beauty, few people expect that the mountain laurel flower contains terrible poison. The mountain laurel is one of the typical flowers representing the state of Connecticut in the US. They often grow in clusters with a variety of colors, from white, light pink, to dark pink or red. The mountain laurel tree is usually 3 to 9 m tall. Its wood is often used to make furniture and household utensils. Although very beautiful, the mountain laurel flower contains a poison that can be deadly. The two main toxins in the mountain laurel flower are andromeda and arbutin. In high doses, andromeda causes one part of the heart to beat faster, and the other part to beat dangerously slow. The heart of a healthy person has a natural gate to block half of the electrical impulses that affect the heart. The poison will cause Wolff, Parkinson, White syndrome, causing the gate to malfunction. At that time, all the electrical impulses will run to the heart, causing the heart to stop beating and causing death. Exposure to a small dose of andromeda people will vomit continuously, eyes and nose secrete a lot of water and fluid. An hour later, respiratory activity will gradually slow down, people lose the ability to move, then fall into a coma and die. The scary thing is that honey can also contain all the properties of andromeda if bees have ever collected nectar from the flowers of the mountain laurel tree. The Greeks called this type of honey crazy honey. They used it to defeat the warrior Xenophon of Athens in 400 BC. Not only mountain laurel, white pear is also a type of flower that can cause death. Accordingly, when we accidentally eat white pear, people will experience severe abdominal cramps because the poison penetrates the blood and activates the sodium channel in the body. When the sodium channel opens, sodium will flood into the cell, stimulating activity. For example, when the sodium channel in a muscle cell is active, the muscle will contract. When the poison in the white clematis affects the sodium channel, it will keep the channel open and sodium will continuously flood into the cell. Because the body cannot react in time, the heart will beat slowly and then quickly, the whole body will convulse. The poisoned person will have a heart attack or fall into a coma. It is believed that it was the poison in the white clematis that killed Alexander the Great.